Black students have typically represented only about 1% of the students entering law school at the University of Toronto. A new program is looking to drive that number way up. Solomon McKenzie, an alumnus of U of T Law, who is now articling at a Toronto law firm, has been involved with the Black Future Lawyers program from the start, and we are fortunate that he joins us now with more. Welcome. Thank you so much for coming in today.
Oh, thanks for having me this morning.
Okay, so that number is very low.
Yes.
This initiative is a collaboration between the university's Faculty of Law, the Black Law Students Association, and the Black Legal Alumni. Talk to me about what mechanisms are you changing that are ultimately, hopefully, going to end up with a higher enrollment of Black students in law school?
Right. So we have to back up a little bit. And like you said in the intro, there really is an underrepresentation of Black students at law school, but also in the legal profession in general. And the legal profession is about people. So having a representative legal profession is really important. So really to get people engaged into that space in the first place is a matter not just of making sure that we have enough students going to law school, but also that folks have support all through the pipeline up to law school. So when we were looking at putting together a program, we started looking at admissions to law school, but then we looked at undergrad as well, and then high school as well.
Okay.
So these are programs that provide support to high school students, undergrad students, and university students to make sure that Black students have the resources to succeed and also to thrive when they enter their legal careers.
How much of this this sort of very low number of enrollment of Black students in law school has to do with you can't be what you can't see? You know, if I'm a Black high school student and I don't know anyone in my circle who is a lawyer, it's probably less likely that I would then want to be a lawyer.
Right. That's definitely a huge part of it, and really showcasing alumni who have succeeded at law school and moved on from into exciting careers is one big part of this. I also think that there is a bit of a pernicious narrative around the capacity of Black students, about an incorrect narrative about whether we will succeed in the context of law school. So part of this is about showcasing alumni and showing, folks who've made it work. And part of it is really combating those barriers that make it seem like Black students wouldn't be a good fit inside law school when they, of course, would be and would, of course, succeed when they're there.
You were someone who did make it through law school. How would your path have been different if this program had existed?
Sure. So I actually didn't come straight into law school. I finished my undergrad, and even though lots of folks told me that law school would probably be a good fit, I had some concerns about whether it would be a good fit for me, and so I decided not to come straight through. And a program like this that really kind of showcases the fact that this is a space for folks like me, and that there will be a community of support when I get there, would have made a huge difference in terms of making me just get here faster.
We're going to leave it there. Thank you so much. And for more information on the Black Future Lawyers program, visit yourmorning.ca.